Hey guys, quick video for you on what are some alternatives, free ones for Dubler 2. So the first one is the Dodo MIDI 2. This is something that you can check out. So best free real-time voice to MIDI plugin, and you have like kind of like the key features. You can play almost any synthesizers or sampler just by using your voice. A real-time conversion, control speech. The limitations: it doesn't work on Logic Pro and FL Studio. It's a free lightweight plugin and requires proper configuration. You need to like check out the tutorials. So this is the first one. Then you're gonna have also another one, which is also called a basic pitch. So the basic pitch is another one. It's from Spotify, where most accessible option, offering professional quality conversion completely free through the web browser. It's not real time, works best with single instruments, and basic pitch works best on the one instrument at a time. Now, then of course you have like the Ableton live build audio into MIDI. This is the first, another one. Or for Logic users, you have Logic Pro Flex Pitch or FL Studio New Tone. So this is pretty much it, straight up for you. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.